How to make lining paste. Ideal for greasing your cake tins and your bundt pans. Begin by beating your softened vegetable shortening, then add in half of your oil. Mix a little before adding in half of your flour and mixing again very slowly, not getting the flour everywhere. Then add in the rest of your oil and mix through. Finally, add in the rest of your flour and mix until smooth. See my trick here for cleaner beaters. Transfer to a clean jar before storing in the fridge. See below for the recipe link. Apply whenever needed, no need to soften. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy baking, bakers!